Hey everyone, today I have something very special for you. We're going to be doing a review, well, my first impression review of Black Moxy's latest collection, which is Fairy Lite. So they were very kind. They gifted me all 7 shades plus one extra one. So today basically what I'm doing with you is the unboxing, and then we're going to see some swatches inside as well as outside. Of course, this collection is really special, like lots and lots of multi-chromes, so it's been such a challenge to capture like all of the shifts in each shade. They are so beautiful, but this is the first one. So yeah, we're gonna also be covering this tutorial. It is ridiculously simple because I only use 2 shades, and I think the reason I did that is because it's a multi-chrome. So you know, with multi-chromes, one eyeshadow can look so beautiful, like because in different lighting it's going to pick up different colors, and that's why I decided to just use 2. So before we get into the actual video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ranita. I do makeup swatches and reviews, and yeah, I am going to be reviewing this brand for the very first time. So welcome. I hope that you have a nice time going through this. If you're new to Black Moxy, then you're not alone. For those of you who have been following me for some time now and you are returning, welcome back. I'm really happy to see you here. I'm super excited to show you what I managed to do. So let's get into that. We're going to start with the unboxing. I will see you over there. Everyone, so I'm really excited because Black Moxy Cosmetics took me on, you know, into their PR list, and they have sent me the latest shades that they have come up with. It is the Fairy Lite collection. I'm really excited about this because I love fairies, and you know, I just can't wait to see what they have sent me. So yeah, this is it. They did tell me that they have sent 1 additional shade as well, but I do want to show these to you, and we're going to do swatches. Oh wow, I mean, I can't even see the shade that well, but I can see that it's kind of changing color, and I'm getting so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to take these out carefully because I don't want to spoil any of them. Okay, so she sent me 8 shades. Alright, so we have this shade over here. She did tell me that there was a pink that was not going to be part of the Fairy Lite collection, but I'm going to show you all of the shades from everything that she sent anyway. Can you see that this is actually changing color? I can see it shifting from like a yellowish color to like pink, and it looks so cool. That is amazing. Okay, let's check out the other shades. Okay, this is the next one. I'm sorry about that. It's kind of like gone in, but oh, it changes color as well. It's like purple, green, pink. Oh my goodness. This looks so beautiful. Next, we have this purple shade over here. Can you see that? It is shifting from like purple to pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are very strong shifts in color. I'm so impressed because I haven't even taken it out, but I can see it just with a slight shift, you know? So I'm really excited about that. Okay, I just want to open one so that we can kind of get an idea of like how big each pan is. My goodness, look at that. You can see the shimmer over there, and it's seriously pigmented. I don't want to waste any product. Okay, so you can see that this is like the size. So I think it looks like a standard 26 mm pan. And it's been placed. Okay, so she's placed it into that. And okay. Yep, so this is what it is. I'm going to put it back very carefully because I don't want to spoil any of this, and then I'm going to show the rest of the shades. Just look at this. Wow, another beautiful shade. I feel like I'm going to have so much fun with these colors. I'm so grateful, obviously, to, you know, Black Moxy for sending me these. Like, just wow, just stunning. Okay, next we have this blue, which is rocking my world. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing that shift? Can you see that? It's going from like this light kind of blue to like a very dark blue, and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Okay, here we have another green shade. Okay, so this doesn't, I can't really see a shift here. I can kind of see green going to gold. It's kind of different from the other green because this one's a lighter green. So if we just take both of them, you can see very clearly that this one's definitely like a darker and a brighter kind of green. And even the gold that you can kind of see in the shimmer is like a darker gold. We have one last shade which looks absolutely stunning. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like magic. It really, really does remind me of fairies, so I think this is beautiful. Absolutely stunning, and I'm so, so happy that Black Moxie actually sent me these, you know, shades so I could review them for you. We're gonna jump into these swatches right now, so let's see what those look like. These are what the shades look like indoors, and you can see how vibrant those shades are. That color where the arrow is pointing at is not part of the collection. It was just an extra shade that was sent to me to try out, and I will be showing you more of that later. This is what the shades look like outside in the sun. I'm just totally obsessed with how vibrant they are, and even those pastel shades, absolutely stunning. I'm going to try to pick up the shifts more in this video just so that you can kind of see you know, the change in colors as I move my arm up and down. Now that we've done this, I'm going to move into the tutorial. I'm going to be going in with the first shade, which is Sparkle Pop, and it looks like this. It's an incredible shade. So like it looks green in some lighting, blue in some lighting. I think that for this look, I'm just going to be using one shade because I just think it's so pretty. Like it kind of has this blue thing going on. So yeah, I'm going to apply that to my eyes. Okay, so the brush is not picking up the shade as well as I want it to, so I'm going to use my finger, and I've got a good amount here. So I'm going to go in now and put that right there. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking beautiful. Are you seeing that? So this is the shade I'm showcasing for the very, very first Black Moxie look. Okay, so now I'm going to be using Maven Beauty's Dark Star eyeliner. This is me using the shade Stinkerbell on my nose as well as on my cheeks. You can see that it has a really, really beautiful shift in color going on. It's just an amazing shade, and it works so well as a highlighter. Okay, so this is the final look, as you can see, and I really, really feel that these shades are beautiful. I've now been wearing this eyeshadow for quite a few hours, and I liked the shade so much that I kind of went ahead and put a lot on my nose, and you know, as you can see that glow right over there, that is also, you know, an eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna show you the eyeshadows that I used. I put it inside my book of shadows, book of shades. I watched Charmed when I was growing up, so I keep saying book of shadows, but it's book of shades. Okay, so these are the 8 shades that Black Moxie sent to me. I ended up using that one over there on my lids, and if you see other, like, you know, the highlighter and stuff, I was using this one. It's a very, very pretty purple shade, but it's also got like a shift. It's got kind of like pinks and I can see a bit of gold and all of that happening. It's seriously, these 2 shades are beautiful. So I just want to tell you the names of the shades. So the first one is Sparkle Pop, which is the blue one that I had put on my eyes, but you know, in this lighting it kind of looks like pink, red, teal. I can see all of those shifts happening with that shade. I just took my finger, I went and I got that. So that's another thing with this. I think that you probably don't want to use a brush, because when you're using a brush you're not going to get as much pigment, you know, to actually put on your eye. So I actually ended up using my finger to put the pigment onto my eyelids, and I'm so happy that I did that because you can see the result. Like, just look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, these shades are stunning. Okay, so the second one that I used for this first impressions video is Stinkerbell, and yeah, the name's kind of funny, isn't it? Yeah, but like the shade is beautiful. So I have actually put it here on my nose, and I put it over here on my cheeks, and you can see it going up over there, and I also put a teeny weeny bit onto my mouth. Just because, you know, I kind of like matching everything, and I kind of felt that that would look nice. So we have 5 more shades to review. I love the way that these shades are working, by the way. It is so beautiful, and honestly, this is high quality eyeshadow stuff. Like, this is high quality eyeshadow. It's beautiful. I'm so impressed with it. I've never tried Black Moxie, so you know, when I was trying it for the first time, I was wondering like, what am I gonna get? And then when I was doing the swatches in itself, I was kind of thinking like, wow, these shades are amazing, because like I would just take a teeny weeny bit on my fingers, and the pigment that would come onto my fingers in just a tiny little swipe, it was amazing. Absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited to get into the other 5 shades with you, but we're going to do that in a separate video. So this is just my first impression for you, and I just wanted to let you know because Fairy Lite is launching today. So if you want to go and pick up some of these shades and experiment with them yourself, I think you're going to have an amazing time. The shades are seriously amazing. So yeah, these are what, you know, this is what my eyes look like. Can you see that amazing shift of color? So like over here, it's kind of becoming more blue now because I've changed the lighting. You can see my nose looks a little green, just because I'm changing the lighting. And like when I do that, can you see it's like shifting from a blue to like a purple, there's pink, there's teal, so many colors, and that is the highlighter. You know, I mean the Tinkerbell. I'm really, really super impressed with the way that this has actually showed up on my eyes, and it's lasted, and the fact that it's remained on my eyes and, you know, just kind of stayed the way it's been since application tells me a lot about the shade. And yeah, I just changed the lighting again. Before we end, I just want to give you some of the makeup details. So I went in with a metallic purple liner from Maven Beauty. It's called Dark Star, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Dark Star. And I also went in with a silver liner from BH Cosmetics. As you know, BH Cosmetics is, you know, going bankrupt, but they have these power pencils. So if you have a chance to pick up any of these power pencils, please do that because you're not going to regret it. And for my base, I went in with I actually used 2 bases today, so I actually went in first with this base, which is my P. Louise base, and then I thought, okay, I'm just gonna go over that with this purple one. This purple base is also from P. Louise. It's called Vivid Violet, and after I had applied my base, I just took my finger and I put it into the shade a little bit, and then I just went, and that is the result. So I'm, yeah, really happy with it. And of course, all these diamonds and stuff, I mean the rhinestones that you can see on my face, that is from Shein. I went and I bought a whole lot of stuff from there, even the butterflies. I just felt like, yeah, since it's Fairy Light, I'm going to try and do a fairy inspired look, and this is, you know, basically what came out of that. So I'm really happy all in all, and yeah, that's all I have to say for now. So I will see you, you know, in my next video, but thank you so much for taking the time to check out this review, and I hope that you're looking forward to finding out about those 5 remaining shades. I will see you, you know, for that video. Bye.